I was able to make $103 using just 9 books. So the question is, what are these books? How do we go about writing them? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. Alright, so I'm going to do something that I've never usually done on this channel. I'm going to be showing you my Amazon KDP earnings for the month of March. Alright, I want to show you how I made over $100 using just 9 books on Amazon KDP. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's dive into my screen. Okay, so as you can see, this is my Amazon KDP dashboard for the month of April. This is April, right? So this sales was made today at the exact day this video was made, which is on Tuesday. This is actually the correct time, right? This is supposed to be 2nd of April. That's if you're from Nigeria. This is actually the 2nd of April, right? And I already made $5 just for this month. So I'm going to go into my royalties for last month, and then I'm going to show you the amount I made, and then show you, all right, the month for February, how much I made, and then you're going to see the number of books I was able to use to make that amount. All right, so let's go into, all right, as you can see, this is April. All right, this is April. We are still in the 2nd of April, and I'm already having one order. All right, and I'm already making $5. So let's go into last month, right? Let's check the royalties that I made for last month. Okay, so as you can see, throughout the month of March, from March 1st to March 31st, I made $103 with just 9 books. All right, so it is actually possible to make more than this, even with just one book. All right, one book can give you a whole lot more than this. You don't need to even write 9 books to be able to achieve this result that you are seeing on my dashboard. Okay, so this is for the month of March. All right, I was able to make $103 using just 9 books. So the question is, what are these books? How do we go about writing them? All right, and mind you, this account was opened in February. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, February 22 or so. Let's check when this account was actually opened, right? Let's check when it was actually opened. So I can click on this last month and check lifetime. All right, I'll click on this and check lifetime. So you see that this account is actually a recent account. Okay, it's actually a recent account. So this account was opened in February 8th. Okay, this is when the account was opened, and from February 8th to April, it has made me over $102. Now you are watching me and you have been in Amazon KDP space for quite some time, for some months, and you have not been able to make this amount. Okay, I'm going to be holding a training, right? I'm going to be holding a class to walk you through step by step how to achieve this using just even one book. All right, so like I've said, one book can give you more than this. All right, one book. You can see that we are just starting April and I've already started making sales. And I'm sure that before the end of April, I'm going to make way more than what I made last month, which was $103. All right, before the end of this month, I should be making like $400, $500 with just that 9 book. And I don't intend to add more books. Okay, I might not have the time to write more books or to add more books to the account. And I bet you that the account is going to keep producing money and making me passive income by the side. All right, so if you are interested, you want to learn the type of books to write to achieve this result, because let me even refresh. All right, let me refresh my screen so you can see that it's not a picture. Right, I'm going to refresh my screen right now. All right, so as you can see, this is April 1 to 2. Let's check last month. Let's see again. So 103. So as you are seeing, this is not a picture, this is real. My dashboard is real. All right, you can see the website, it's all showing. Okay, so it will load up, as you can see. So it's not an image. All right, so if you're interested and you want to learn, like I said, I have a video ready that will guide you through step by step how to achieve this result with just even one book. Okay, one book on Amazon KDP can change your story. Okay, from the month of February even to the month of April, I have not added extra books. So it's not about the quantity of the book, it's about the quality of the book. It's about the quality of your research. Okay, achieving this result is all boils down to quality. Quality of research, quality of books, quality of your pricing, quality of your marketing strategy. All right, so if you're interested, I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video. All right, just reach out to me and I'm going to let you know how to get this. Mind you, it's not for free. All right, it's only for those who are really serious about changing their financial status this 2025. So I'll be expecting you on my DM. God bless you as you do so.